don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amafans Watu TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 2, Angola 1. I'm joined by Joga Parks.
Amafans wethu Chibozi ngingena la kumafans wethu kwi-interview esokunama breaking news mfowethu. I-first half between iZimbabwe ne-Egypt. iZimbabwe iyalida of which njengamanje there's a possibility ukuthi iZimbabwe number 2 masokuphiwa ngoba yona isana 1 wegoli iwanti bafana iwine ngo 2-1 if izinto zingaso sho ukuthi ayi kungamnandi anyway let's come back to the game. Ngicela sibongeleni bafana esishaleni izandla uqala kahle kanje uwine i-competition efana nale inikeza mawukhosha plan elula ukuthi ukwazi ukuplanela igame yaphambili istart nje usokuthi nje uwine yona simqoka kakhulu. I think manje uBrumo benomkhelele ne-technical team yonke bazosebenzela phezu kwa something esebenayo njengamanje. I think when it's coming Friday nathi kumele siyofaka more pressure kwi-Egypt so that because yona I think very close nase-Morocco of which kumele ithikithi labo lisheshe liphele thina kumele sosend message ukuthi ihambe ibuyele back e-Egypt. Mangiwele egameni mfowethu kuna player ngifuna ukulibongela ekuthenini lithema litholi opportunity ku-Orlando Pirates Football Club labukeka lizelwe kabusha born again. I think Mr. Chef uSiphombuli u-enjoya i-football yakhe. I think bokuyitalente azalwa enalo aliphiwa uNkulunkulu nedalwa zakubo. Current now esefikile kwaParis uselo mbulo esimaziyo. Uyabona kumdlali mayenza kanje ithola nama opportunity ukuthi abizwe ku-national team athi noba abizwe ku-national team enze lento ayibizelwe. I think ngimshaya isandla ehlombe ngoba uma sokuleya age somehow abantu abaningi baze bengasabelieve kuwe but i-Orlando Pirates njengane team abathi emabesikhuluma abasikhuluma kabi abafana nabo laMthuthu bathi siyi-team endala asiyona i-team enkulu. Ngingasazi ke between old and big team ukuthi mhlawumbe kanjani sibona bayidime izidudla yini but uMaster Chef mfowethu ukuba khona ukujoina kwakhe iParis is look like ngazi ukuthi uyaqala ukuba kwi-professional football team. The way akhulenga khona siyayibonga ke ukuthi sibonise iParis sibonise ukuthi noba umdlali angakhulunywa kabi but emangabe besambiza bemthandile umdlali bamkhoshe bahlale naye phansi umdlali uyaqoqeka bamnikeza i-second chance. Brother sinalomuntu okuthiwa bafana ngiyabazi abalandeli bebhola bazothanda ukukriticize ngoba benze ngimenshina iParis of course boku must ngizomenshina as a player leParis ngizomenshina as a player lebafana because uMaster Chef beba representa yini bafana Police. That guy I always call ukuthi umsindisi
the savior.
Police wenze into nje very easy awathatha bafana wayinikeza hope ukuthi akusali kunina ke bafowethu ukuthi siyayigcina yini le win or siyayithethela. Ofisha umuntu besimbheke ukuthi enze more nakhona amehlo kumast ukuthi abheke kuyena uLion Foster. Lion Foster usekwi league enkulu kakhulu ileague ehlezi ike emahlweni wabantu the best. Yabona mawuzaba kwi-league enabo Salah enabo bani enama big names even nakuma coaches even nakuma teams. Umene musubuye ekhaya wazi ukuthi all eyes
are on you.
Exactly. Give us the best. Ngifuna ukuthi today bokuyona igame ka Foster ukuthi asishayele 3 goals. Unfortunately ukwazi ukushaya 1.
Yes,
2 abona ushuthi mhlawumbe injini bengakashisi.
Yeah.
Because the goal alishayele what a goal.
I goal.
Yeah, what a goal.
Yeah.
I think right now lo mfana waka Jobe.
Yeah.
Waka Sithole.
Yeah.
Lo mfana uqala wangazi ukuthi akafuna ukungena egiyeni.
Sure.
Kodwa egcineni
Ungeni.
ubone ebamba midfield the way ebesifisa ngakhona.
Yeah.
Umkwena ke ngeke sisakhuluma indaba yakhe siyayazi ukuthi inja yegame.
Sure.
Ngibuye ngize
kubanje.
Lerimi.
Yeah.
Lerimi.
Yeah.
Muremi ya. Uyazi lento ngabe umsuti noba mntwana. Muremi. Ayifathu. Muremi.
Yeah.
Yabona uba akuyena lo muntu okholelwa kakhulu ku VAR. But I thought namhlanje VAR ibambe uMuremi kumele enze icelebration yakhe ajabule kube mnandi. That VAR ukuthi uLeon Foster obese offside. I don't think kumele bayicount ngale ndlela because uLeon Foster akakoranga but ubuyisela ibhola back and then Mr Chef wapasa what a pass. But ekugcineni masokore igoli lihle kanje bese kuthiwe offside. Somehow i-VAR asazi not izosiconfuse noba kanjani because khona lapho kunikezwe khona eAngola uyachajelwa of which uyabona somehow yeah indaba ye-VAR izosiconfuse because yeah asikayazi kahle kodwa nje yona izosiconfuse. Ngifuna ukuthi ke T-Boys nama fans wethu angisipase the message to the viewers at home, to each and everyone, guys. Now so ama holiday ka Christmas siyo meet ama families wethu. Please let's drink with the order. Those are believing in alcohol. We love you all for free. Please guys, asifuna ukuzwa sithi masesibuya emaholidini twabanye abazange besabuya. Ngiyabezwa bafethu bamnandi bathi abanye siyehla. Amagoduka ke lawa ayasho afana nathi kina. Sithi siyehla saziwadla imali. Siyehla siyagoduka. Ngifuna uma ngisho kanjena T-Boys nawe mfowethu kulento yabo siyajola 99. Wangazi ukuthi ungayi kakhulu mfowethu kuyona ukwenzisa ama interviews ngoba kumanje kwehlukene ubendle cabena ubendle manje na kuyagoduka nje abantu bebejola bachwecile bashiya intombi zabo la egoli ngoba igoli eliyasokolisa bafone sebe emakhaya nje umuntu ubhebhi uyabuya ukanti uyobuya nini emsebenzini wathi sengisemakhaya mina ngiyaqhatshwana ke manje manizothola lawo ma invitation ukuthi hambani yo interview labo bantu kule game mfowethu uyibheke ngangabi impama ngaba isibhakela isingozi isibhakela ngawuvuka ebhara please bafowethu bafethu wethu siyanthanda bafowethu njenga nizosala nani niphusha ama interviews nibukeli bafana na bafethu nizobe ninabo e-studio bafethu enjoy football sabantu be football bese ngithi my last concern i-attendance engiyibone between bafana neAngola I'm not happy kuma Morocco nibizani Moroccans or kunalana gama elisho thina sama South Africans bona yini ama Moroccans noba yini angazi lo Morocco please remember we are the ama fans wethu Moroccans or Morocco please attend the games serious guys you failing us uma ngabe i-team efana nebafana idlala kamnandi kanje kube empty stadium even nale ngiyibonile ye-Egypt noko bazamile but it look like na empty and ama Egyptians ayaziwa aseyithathe kaningi le AFCON ngifuna ukuthi ke be challenge yami la ukuthi I'm not happy nge-supporters but kulaba base-South Africa abalandile abakwazi ukusirepresenta ngithi all the best of luck guys enjoy ama-holiday ka-December mhlawumbe nizobuya nisitshela ukuthi uChristmas yase-Morocco injani love you all for free ngegama likaNkulunkulu uJehova mhle ngithi once and always Rainbow Nations.
Thank you, man. Ngiyasho uzoshaya